Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. This is the Spring Clean With Me series. Every Tuesday of the month of March, she's asking that we clean an area in our home. In this video, it would be our living room, a great room, and you're also required to give some cleaning tips of your own. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the video. Okay, before we get into cleaning, guys, I want to share with you some of the items that I'm going to be using to clean, like this duster here, and it extends so you can get up all on top of things and on the walls. And then I have a smaller one, handheld one. This is one of those magic eraser cleaners, and I have some cleaning products, my favorite glass cleaner and my favorite wood cleaner here in my cleaning caddy. And like I said, I just want to share with you the items that I'm going to be using to clean. Also, I wanted to share with you some of the items that I'm going to be using on my coffee table for decor. And these are the items here I'm going to be using to decorate. Now into the cleaning portion of this video. If you're wondering why I had my coffee table and side table like that, my husband actually did that. Lately, my dog has been wanting to jump up on our sectional, so for some reason he put the coffee table there so he wouldn't jump up on the sectional. So I'm pushing the sectional from away from the wall so I can get back there and give it a good cleaning. Right here you see I'm using my duster, the one that extends, to get up on the walls and areas like pictures and ledges that are higher up that I need to dust. So I'm just dusting this area to get it set up to be vacuum. And right here you see me going behind the sectional, vacuuming, making sure I'm get back there real good because there was a lot of dust. And then I'm going to proceed to take the magic eraser and clean against the wall there, any like marks or anything that I had. As you see right here, I'm doing that. I'm just cleaning the light switch and cleaning the walls that had any little spots or anything like that. And just any scuff marks that I see, I'm just giving it a real good cleaning and get that cleaned up real good. And the magic eraser sponge is really good for cleaning smudge marks and other areas in your home. I finished cleaning behind the sectional, so I'm right here. You'll see me reposition it back against the wall. And after I do that, I'm going to take off all the pillows, the throws, and the cushions so I can get in there and do a deep cleaning, because it's been a while since I cleaned the inside of my cushions, and Lord knows what is all inside of there. So that's what you'll see me doing right here. It was just a little bit of dust. I found some ornament hangers. So in between the cushions wasn't really that bad. So I'm going to vacuum it out real quick, and then I'm going to place the cushions back in order, and then I'm going to start decorating. I'm going to give this area a good mopping, and we'll be finished with this area, and I'll give you guys an overview of the total look. Guys, I love how everything came out. My house is nice and clean. It smells so good in here. I'm just giving you an overview of how the look came out. I want to say thank you to Kimberly with Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting such an awesome collab. Right here is my fireplace, and I just did, you know, a simple decor here. Only thing I really added was that bunny that I got from TJ Maxx. And here's my lantern. And I also have a little basket that I just added some Easter eggs. And I really love how it looks. This was such a fun collab. I want to say thank you to Kimberly again. Make sure you look in my description box so you can get the links to the other participants and to Kimberly's channel. So this is just an overview of the total look. Make sure you also comment how I did on styling my coffee table. I was so nervous about doing that. I don't know. That is just not one of my strong points, but I think I really did good with this one. You guys let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.